Ella Penney smiles at me. She has a smile like a sonic boom. I broke my arm, she says. I think they put the cast on too tight. My fingers are going blue. She wiggles them to demonstrate. Oh, we can't have that, I reply. Do you mind if I take a look? She reaches her right arm out towards me, and I can see the tooth-right cuff of the cast emerging from beneath her cape. Her fingers are a little grayer than they should be. This is not a good sign. Can we take that cape off so I can see your arm better, Ella? I ask. No, exclaims Mrs. Penney. She sits bolt upright in her plastic chair. The handbag tumbles from her lap, vomiting tissues, biro, and loose change all across the surgery floor. She goes down on her knees to scoop everything back.
Sure, says Ella Penney. She slips her cape upwards, over her head like a sweater, and she is naked from the waist up. She has not lost the soft rod of her baby belly yet, but I can tell the flesh around her nipples is already beginning to swell in anticipation of breasts. She has milk white all over, her chest as pure as her face. It is impossible not to stare. Spanning the gap between her arms and sides, like an infant pterodactyl, there's a pair of perfectly formed wings. It is utterly impossible not to stare. I find myself rising from my chair and striding across the surgery floor to take a closer look. I hadn't intended to do this. This is an involuntary reaction, like sneezing or crying over a cut onion. I mitches from her armpits with my eyes.
I am staring with furious intent. Now, I am running my fingers across her left wing. Ella's mother makes like she's going to intervene, then seems to lose the inclination. She slams back in her chair and watches. I should probably have asked permission first, but I'm not functioning properly now. I am sucking the air in and out of my mouth, through my teeth, my breath making a kind of soft, whistling noise. I can't remember how to make words.
Ella Penney raises her arms for me. She's done this before. The folds in her wings concertina her out, and she's a bird in blue jeans and woolly boots. I take her good wrist in my hand, stretch the arm out fully, and hit her with my eyes. I forget that she was a child. She is only a patient to me in this moment. Less than a patient, really, a specimen. I am taking careful notes in my head. I am writing a book.